Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to check the order status in Shein application on an Android device. Well, checking the order status allows you to track the progress of your order from processing to delivery. You can monitor its movement through various stages such as packaging, shipping, and delivery. So let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open Shein application. And now look for a profile icon and then tap on it. Okay, in this profile page, tap my order option here. So now you can see your order status, even it will appear in unpaid section, processing, shipped, review, and return. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to check the order status in Shein application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.